Hi students, today we discuss about the 5th class TG set 2020 mathematics question number 46 to 70. The first problem from mathematics part: what is the time in the clock? What is the time in the clock? Here given option A 2 o'clock, option B 1:45, option C 1:50, option D 1:55. Okay, when we observe in the clock, this is the hour hand. Okay, this is hour hand. This is the minute hand. This is minute hand. Okay, hour hand cross 1 o'clock. Okay, cross 1 o'clock. Okay, 1 o'clock cross. Which one? Our hand. See, each one minute hand 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So simply you can multiply by 5. 10 5s are 50. So 1 hour 50 minutes. 1 hour 15 minutes. Our correct answer. Where is our correct answer? Option C. What is correct answer? 1 hour 50 minutes. 1 hour 50 minutes. 1 hour 50 minutes. Okay, next problem. If 1 liter of milk costs 42 rupees, then the cost of 85 liters of milk is dash. Option A 3,750 rupees, option B 3,560 rupees, option C 3,570 rupees, option D 3,670 rupees. Okay, 1 liter of milk. 1 liter milk. 1 liter milk cost 42 rupees. Okay, cost of 1 liter milk is 42 rupees. Okay, how many liters of milk? 85 liters. 85 liters of milk. How much? Okay, here question mark. Nothing but I am writing here X rupees. We don't know the value of the cost of 85 liters of milk. Okay, X rupees. Okay, simply can cross multiplication. 1 into X. 1 into X equal to, okay, cross multiply 85 into 42 or 85 into 42. Okay, 85 into 42. 1 into X. X. Okay, 85 into 42. Okay, 85 into 42. Okay, here I am take 85 into 42. 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 60 plus 1 17, 4 5s are 20, 0, 4 8s are 32, 32 plus 2 34. Okay, here 0, 7, 1 plus 4 5, 3. Okay, what? 3,570 rupees. This is our correct answer. Okay, the cost of 85 liters, how much? 3,570 rupees. Where is our correct answer? 3570. 3570. Option C is correct. Next problem. Question number 48. A rope of 108 meter long is cut into the pieces of 9 meter each. Then the number of pieces. Okay. Total the length of rope. The length of rope is 108 feet. Okay, total length 108 meters. Okay, each piece. Okay, each piece That means the length of each piece 9 meters. Okay, 9 meters. Length of one piece. Okay, length of one piece. Length of one piece, how much? 9 meters. Length of one piece, 9 meters. Okay, the number of pieces. We do number of pieces. So I am writing x pieces. X pieces. But here total length of rope 108 meters. 108 meters. Okay, the length of one piece 9 meters. The length of x pieces, number of pieces x. Okay, that is the 108 meters. Okay, cross multiplication. 1 into 108 meters equals to, okay, cross multiplication, x into 9. X into 9. Okay, here 9 on left and right side. If it is possible of cancel, cutting, okay, you should do. 9 ones are 9. Here 9 ones are 9. Here 1. 9 twos are 18. Therefore x equal 12. Therefore x equal to 12. How many of number of pieces for length of rope 108 meters? 12 pieces. How much? 12 meters. So our correct answer option B. Our correct answer option B. Okay, next problem. 49. Find the largest 4-digit number. How many digit number? 4-digit number formed by using digits 3, 4, 2, 9. Okay, here asking the largest 4-digit number. Largest 4-digit. Okay, here I am writing largest 4-digit. Largest 4-digit number. Okay, what is that? The largest 4-digit number. Okay, simple. First of all, you should write a big digit. That is, write in descending order. Descending order means from big to small. Okay, which is the large? 3R, 4R, 2R, 9. Okay, 9. We know it. Okay, 9 is a big. Next, small number compared to 3, 4, 2. Okay, next small number is the 4. Small digit. Okay, 4. Next small digit 3. Okay, next small digit 2. So, therefore, 9432. 9432. Where is our correct answer? 9432. Option D. Option D is our correct answer. This is the largest 4-digit number. The largest 4-digit number 9432. Option D is the correct answer. Problem number 50. In the given figure, the shaded part represents which fraction? Okay, here given shaded part. Okay, this is a circle. Okay, circle. Okay, here cut two parts. Okay, this is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. Okay, again cut. This one is, so each one is a 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. But here shaded region one part only. Only here asking shaded. The shaded part represents which fraction? Shaded, how many of shaded parts in this? Only one. Only one. By total number of parts in a circle 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 by 4. Okay, our correct answer is option C, 1 by 4. Next problem. Problem number 51. Find perimeter of the given figure. See here, the figure given. Okay, this length 12 meters, this length 6 meters, 6 meters. Equal lengths on both sides the figure. Okay, here downside 5 meters, 5 meters. Here is also on both sides same length. Okay, next 7 meters, 7 meters on both sides same length. Okay, downside 2 meters. Okay, how can we find the perimeter of the given figure? Okay, simply I am writing, okay, letter A, B, okay, C, D, okay, here E, F, G, H, okay, G, H. Simply, what is meaning of perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of lengths of given figure. Perimeter means perimeter equals to sum of lengths. Okay, sum of lengths of the given figure. Sum of the lengths of the given figure. Okay, perimeter P equals to AB plus, okay, AB plus AD plus, okay, BC plus, of course AB plus AD plus, next DE, next EF, okay, FG, okay, GH plus HC, okay, CB. Okay, this is perimeter. Okay, here I am writing the values. Okay, AB value 12 plus, okay, AD value 6 meters plus DE 5 meters. Okay, next EF 7 meters. Okay, EF. Next FG 2 meters. Okay, GH 7 meters. Okay, HC 5 meters. Okay, CB 6 meters. 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 5 23, 23 plus 7 30, 30 plus 2 32, 32 plus 7 39, 39 plus 5 44, 44 plus 6 50. Okay, the perimeter of the given figure is 50 meters. Here is our correct answer, 50 meters. Option A. Option A is the correct answer. Are you getting my point? Problem number 52. Write the following in number form. Number form 9207. 9207. Okay, here I am writing what children? Okay, ones place. Okay, ones place. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, okay, thousands. 9,000. Okay, the place of 1,000, 9,000. 200. Okay, 1,000 place 9 I am writing. 100 place 2. Okay, 2 I am writing. See, 207. 207. Tens not given. So tens not given. So you should write 0. Okay, 207. 7 means ones place. Ones place. What should write? 7. So our answer 9207. 9207. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Problem number 53. The number of days that a leap year has dash. That a leap year has dash. Okay. A normal year. General year. General year. How many of days in general year? General year. General year means except leap year. Okay, remain all years are same. Okay, in general years the number of days are 365 days. 365 days. Okay, in leap year you should add more one day to general year. That is a 365 plus 1. Okay, for leap year should add more one day. Add one day to general year. So 365 plus 1, 366. 366 days. Okay, the number of days in a leap year as 360 days. Okay, option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. 366 days in a leap. Next problem. The ascending order of 143, 167, 115, 117, 123, 104. We have given options. First of all, what is the meaning of ascending order? What is the meaning of ascending order? Ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. What? Increasing order. Increasing order. Okay. What is the increasing order? Okay. Small to big. Small to big. Small number to big number. Small number to big number. Small to big. Either digits or numbers. Okay. Here given numbers. Okay. Should write small number to big number. Okay. Which is a small number? Okay. What? 104. See, these are all 100 only. 100, 100, 100. So next we should observe the. Okay. This is the 100, 100, 100. Okay. You should compare the. Okay. 10 digits. Okay. 10 digits here 4. Here 10. That means this is the ones, tens, 100. Okay. Okay. Tens. In tens 4 here. Here tens 6. Okay, here tens 1, here tens 1, here tens 2, here tens 0. So this is a small digit. Okay, small number. So 104 is a small number. Okay. Next of all, tens place here, tens place 1, here tens place 1. But you should compare the ones place. Here ones place 5, here ones place 7. So this is the small one. So 115. Okay, next one is the 117. Okay, next one is the 117. Okay, tens place 1 is complete. Next tens place here 4, 6, here 2. So this is the small one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, next tens place here 4, here 6. So 4 is bigger, 6 is big, 6 is big. Okay, 4 is small. So I am writing first one 143. Okay, the last one is the 167. So the last one is the 167. See here. Okay, now cover or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 numbers came. Okay, now should observe 104. 115, 117, 123, 143. So this is our correct answer. Remain should observe this is not ascending order. Okay, this is also not ascending order. Okay, of course this is also not ascending order. Okay, our correct answer is option A. Option A is the correct answer. See up to here. Okay, correct. 104, 115, 117, 123, 14. 143. Okay, not given 167. But up to here, this is in the ascending order. Ascending order is nothing but increasing order. That is the small to big number. Okay, next problem. How many grams are there in 1 kilogram? How many grams are there in 1 kilogram? 1 kg. 1 kilogram. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So here is the correct answer. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 grams. Okay, option C is the correct answer. Problem number 56. The number of faces that a soap box has dash. Okay, we know that the soap box as it is a cuboid. It is a cuboid. Of course, even the cube or cuboid, the same number of faces. Okay, what the number of faces? We know that the number of faces. Okay, left, right. Okay, left, right, up, bottom. Okay, total number of faces 4. Okay, front and back totally 6. Okay, totally 6 faces are there in cuboid. Okay, our correct answer is option D. Correct answer is option D. The total number of faces in a soap box 6. Problem number 57. How many minutes are there? How many minutes are there in 1 hour 25 minutes? 1 hour 25 minutes. 1 hour 25 minutes. See, 1 hour 25 minutes I am writing 1 hour plus 25 minutes. 25 minutes. Okay, 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. Okay, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay, plus 25 minutes. Totally 60 plus 25. Total 85 minutes. Okay, 1 hour 25 minutes is equal to 85 minutes. Our correct answer is option D. Option D is the correct answer, 85 minutes. Students, watch for my videos. Please subscribe my channel.